का समाधान देश की हर ज्योतिषीय पद्धति के समावेश के साथ संपूर्ण आकर्षक और सबसे सटीक एस्ट्रोसेज बृहत कुंडली आज अभी लें, क्योंकि भविष्य में ही छिपे हैं जीवन के संकेत।
Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel of AstroSage, the world's #1 astrology portal. So this is Sashwati here and I hope you guys are doing well. I'm here today with another very special video. So the pandemic seems to be wreaking havoc day by day and the figures have been on the rise regularly. Now we are left with no other option but to stay at our respective homes and try to keep ourselves safe and sound. As far as the updates in the world of astrology are concerned, then there is no need to worry, as we will keep bringing to you the latest updates which have been taking place here. On this note, I would like to spill the beans about today's topic, and that would be the transit of Mercury which is taking place in Taurus. So Mercury, as we all know, represents communication, business sense, analyzation and observation powers in the realm of astrology, and it will transit into its friendly sign of Taurus on Saturday the 9th of May at 9:47 am. So from here on, it will move into its own sign Gemini on the 24th of May at 23:57 pm, which means that at 11:57 pm in the night. So it will remain in this sign for a duration of 16 days. So let us now find out what results does this transit of Mercury in Taurus brings for all the zodiac signs. We will first begin with Aries, the first sign to be registered under the zodiac circle. So Aries natives will see Mercury positioned in the second house of speech, accumulated wealth and savings. The most important thing that the Aries natives have to do during this transit is to invest their money in some savings, investment or ventures for long term. This is because the position of Mercury, your sixth house of obstacles and obstructions, can make you spend impulsively during this time duration. You have to be careful about your speech or the words that you choose while speaking. Otherwise, you are going to end up hurting others unintentionally. This can also lead to a disruption in your family atmosphere. Professionals or individuals in job spheres are likely to get benefits and profits in this time duration. However, business people might have some obstacles or obstructions while implementing their policies. Also, it is recommended to stay away from taking any kind of loans and liabilities during this period of time. Health-wise, keeping personal hygiene will be very important in this time frame, otherwise you may face some problems regarding your teeth and mouth. As a remedy, you are advised to give away fruits in charity. Next in line is Taurus, the second sign to be registered under the zodiac circle. So Mercury will transit into the first house in its directional strength for Taurus natives. This position of Mercury will bestow you with great charismatic and a magnetic aura, coupled with sharp conversational skills. This will enable you to leave a lasting impression on people and win them over. Your friendly, gentle and caring attitude during this period will reflect in your positivity while handling situations both in your personal as well as professional lives. Personally, married natives will feel more contentment and happiness in their relationship. The individuals of this sign currently in their relationships will be able to establish a pleasant bond with their respective partners. For individuals working in any organizations and professional fields, the position of Mercury in your ascendant will make you more inquisitive in your behavior. This is likely to help you undergo new experiences which will hone your skills for the future. Moreover, you will be quite flexible and adaptable in this duration, as a result of which you will accomplish all of your responsibilities with great ease and comfort. Your subordinates and your seniors will remain pleased with you. For business people, and those who are indulged in trade, they are likely to register gains and profits in the transit duration of Mercury. For the parents of this sign, progress of your children will be a source of joy and happiness for you. The students falling under this sign will be able to concentrate more on their studies, and this will help them to perform better in their academic life. As a remedy, you should recite the Ram Raksha Stottra during the sunrise regularly. Next in line would be Gemini, the third sign to be registered under the zodiac circle. So position of Mercury in the 12th house of expenditures, unwanted situations may not bring auspicious results for Gemini natives. As 12th house also represents foreign land, some opportunities related to the overseas can be there for you. If not now, then definitely in the upcoming time. However, this phase can also bring in some unnecessary expenditures which can create some mental tensions and worries for you. So, proper management and planning of resources is of paramount importance during this time duration. Also, changes in the residence can be predicted for many natives of this zodiac sign. Professionally, this transit duration can bring a decline in your confidence as well as make you nervous and anxious. Thus, you should put things on hold for now instead of commencing anything new. Focus more on honing and enhancing your skills and practice continuously, for it will make you perfect. Things impacting professional life can also have a negative impact on your personal life, as you can become easily annoyed, agitated even at the pretext of small issues, which can create some ups and downs or altercations in your relationships. So it is advised to stay calm, relaxed during this time frame, as that will help you to understand the things clearly and get better results from this transit. Also, no negligibility on the health part should be there, especially related to eyes and skin. You should straight away take some genuine advice from doctors if you feel any kind of problems in the aforementioned areas. As a remedy, you should wear a ring which contains the emerald gemstone on your right hand's little finger. Moving on, we will now talk about Cancer natives. So Mercury will be positioned in the 11th house of success and profits for the Cancer natives. As Mercury owns the 3rd house of desires and the 12th house of foreign and expenditures for Cancer sign, it indicates that it will be a favorable and auspicious transit for individuals born under the sign of the Crab. Those individuals whose business is associated with foreign countries or are working in multinational companies are likely to gain substantial gains and profits during this transit period. As the 3rd house also represents skills, therefore they will be significant in helping you to earn better. Hence, you should work on honing your skills during this duration. This period will also see the fulfillment of your deep desires and wishes. Professionals can see themselves getting rewards and appreciation for the previous work done by them. As the 11th house also represents status and social circle, which indicates that the more you socialize during this period, the better are the chances of success for you. However, this period can make your expectations high from your partner, which can create some problems or hurdles in relationships. So keeping your bar of expectations low and in check would be beneficial for you. As a remedy, you should sow seeds of money plant or some green plants at your home. Next in line would be Leo. So Leo natives will see Mercury positioned in the 10th house of profession and career. Mercury owns the 2nd house of accumulated wealth and the 11th house that represents the profits and success. This indicates that it will bring auspicious results for Leo natives. Professionally, your creativity and organizational skills will get enhanced and you will be able to give structure to the task, which will result in increased productivity and efficiency. This will keep you in good state among your colleagues and senior management. Those individuals working in creative fields like movies, entertainment and other fields such as event management are likely to gain good results and profits in this duration. Also, individuals who are in professionals related to public dealing are also likely to benefit from this transit. This will also yield profits in this time frame, especially the individuals who are involved in their family business. During this period, you may come across such situations which may help you to take your legacy forward. For personal relations, there will be good support from family, especially from father or father-like figures. The environment in the family will be cordial and happy. In matters concerning love and relationships, this position of Mercury will make you warm and generous. As a result, you will successfully charm your beloved and keep them closer to you. Married natives are also likely to enjoy happiness and joy in their relationships. Students preparing for competitive and government exams have to push themselves a little harder if they want to achieve or see the face of success. As a remedy, you should read religious scriptures and recite the Beej mantra of Mercury on Wednesdays. Moving on, we will now talk about Virgo natives. So Virgo natives will see the position of Mercury in the 9th house of luck, fortune and higher education. It is also considered the house of long journeys, travels and pilgrimages. Virgo natives will see all their tasks and endeavors supported by fortune during this transit, but still you are required to put in some hard work and consistent efforts on your part to achieve the desired results. This time frame will also see a rise in your name and fame coupled with recognition in the society. Professional people of this sign are likely to receive new job offers with financial benefits. Personally, you will be more inclined towards spirituality during this time frame. Your efforts will be directed towards offering service to the community. You will focus a lot of your attention to the key aspects of the society that needs improvement. There are also chances of you undertaking voyages, if not physical ones, then definitely some spiritual journeys are on the cards. Improvement will be visible in your relationships with your in-laws, that is going to reflect on the relationships with your beloved or spouse. For single natives, taking the help of your friends to confess to the person for whom you have feelings will prove to be beneficial. Students of this sign interested in doing their academic studies from foreign lands or universities may see some indications of their dreams coming true. However, considering the current situation and scenario of the country and the whole world, they will have to wait for their proper execution. As a remedy, you should wear an emerald of 5 to 6 carats in your right hand little finger. Next in line is Libra. So for Librans, the 8th house of your sign will host the transit of Mercury, which is also known as the house of transformation and uncertainties. This house also represents sudden gains, gifts, and health. The movement of Mercury indicates that you have to remain a little cautious about your health. Try to stay away from dust pollution, as you are likely to face some problems related to skin, and some allergies can also crop up in this duration. Also, you have to be careful while driving, as accidents and injuries can be foreseen. Libra individuals will come across many proposals during this transit, but you are advised to weigh the pros and cons of every situation before making a decision. Otherwise, you are going to face some losses in the bargain. However, you can achieve sudden gains and profits in the form of inheritance or gifts from your elders. Your interest in learning or understanding the mystical and occult sciences is likely to increase in this time duration. This is a very good period for students who are indulged in doing any kind of research work, as their efforts are likely to bear the desirable results. On the personal front, you will both get emotional and the financial support from your spouse, which will be essential in helping you to face this duration. One thing to take note of during this transition of Mercury is to avoid creating negative thoughts inside your head. You should instead have full faith in your potential, as this will definitely help you to get better results of this transit. As a remedy, you should light camphor in your home, as this will definitely help you to remain at the receiving end of prosperity and success. We will now talk about Scorpio natives. So Mercury will transit into the 7th house for Scorpio natives. 7th house represents the spouse, relationships, and partners. This transit of Mercury will provide mixed results for the individuals of the sign. Personally, as Mercury governs the house of uncertainty for Scorpio people and will be positioned in the house of relationships, and this indicates that you can be a little overcritical during this time frame. Your constant bickering can create some temperamental differences and misunderstandings between you and your spouse. So, it is advised not to reproach them all the time, which will help you to resolve the matters peacefully. However, single natives are likely to meet their special someone during this transit duration. As Mercury also owns the 11th house of success and profits and is positioned in the house of partnerships and vocation, it indicates that the profits and gains will be there for the natives who own their business in form of partnerships. Still, maintaining trust and proper communication between partners is of paramount importance in this time frame. It also indicates that the more you socialize, make contacts during this period, the more profits this placement of Mercury can bring along with it. Health-wise, you could feel a sudden rush in energy, which if directed towards any kind of physical activities like jogging, gymming, etc., will provide you with positive results. As a remedy, you should be offering prayers to Goddess Saraswati daily, and this will definitely help you to get the beneficial results of the Mercury transit. We have arrived at the 9th house to be registered under the zodiac circle, which is Sagittarius. So dear Sagittarians, Mercury will be positioned in your 6th house, which represents competition, obstruction, enemies, and diseases in Vedic astrology. Professionally, it is going to bring in auspicious results for the individuals working in a job or professional fields. Your consistent efforts, determination will see you succeed in your workplace, but remain aware and alert of your enemies, as some of them may plot and plan against you. However, your increased competitive spirit and high intuitive powers are likely to overcome them with ease and comfort. Businessmen should put a hold onto their plans of expansion, if any, during this duration. Rather, you should stick to your basic plans, and this will provide you with auspicious results. Also, stay away from taking any kind of loans and liabilities, otherwise they can become a source of worry and mental tensions afterwards. In terms of personal relationships, the health of your spouse may remain fragile in this time frame. Also, some misunderstandings and altercations in the relationships can occur. As a result of this collision, both of your perceptions about each other can change. This could also result in trust issues and insecurities between the two of you. So it will be better to communicate and sort out the issues with each other rather than assuming things. Students preparing for competitive or government exams are likely to achieve success in their efforts. As a remedy, you should try to feed green fodder to the cows daily if it is possible at all. For Capricorn natives, Mercury's transit will be hosted by the 5th house of intellect, love, romance and progeny. Personally, this transit will be beneficial for love and romance. Single natives may gain the strength to propose to the love of their lives, as there are high chances of the other person saying yes or accepting your proposal, and this will fill you with happiness. This transit will also be beneficial for married natives, as they will be able to spend some quality time with their spouse and beloved. Professionally, as Mercury being the ruling lord of the 9th house is transiting in your 5th house, and this indicates that natives looking for a promotion may get promoted along with a transfer to their desired destination. Your ideas are likely to gain appreciation and recognition from the higher management. Also, individuals indulging in creative activities are likely to get a good platform to showcase their skills and talents. Businessmen indulging in trading of any kind may register huge profits and gains during this transit. Progress of the child may be a source of joy and happiness for the parents of the sign. The movement of Mercury will be beneficial for the Capricorn students preparing for higher studies, especially who are seeking admissions in foreign universities or universities away from their hometown. Health-wise, this transit seems to be favorable, but still, indulging in any kind of physical activity will prove to be beneficial. As a remedy, you should offer Durva grass to Lord Ganesha regularly. We have now reached the second last sign of the zodiac circle, that is Aquarius. So Aquarians will see Mercury positioned in their 4th house of inner self, comfort, luxuries, home and mother. This indicates that there could be some problems or issues regarding the health of the mother. This could prove to be a source of worry and mental tension for many natives of the Aquarius zodiac sign. As for Aquarians, Mercury is the ruling lord of the 5th house of children, which is transiting in the 12th house from its sign. This indicates that problems or issues with the children can also take most of your time. Students of this sign might face some difficulties in concentration, which may further hamper their academic performance. Professionally, as Mercury also governs the 8th house of transformation and uncertainties, it has a direct impact on the 10th house of profession and career. This indicates that you might face some ups and downs, struggles at your workplace during this transit. This also indicates that you may need to put in consistent efforts to achieve the desired results in your profession. This may result in some angst or frustration, leading to some clashes with your colleagues and the higher management. However, it is advised to avoid these clashes, otherwise it could lead to your image being besmirched. However, businessmen of this sign may gain some sudden income and profit during this transit. This period will also be favorable for love and romance. This movement of Mercury will provide your partner with success and progress in their professional front. You are likely to get all the support from your partner in this transit duration. However, you need to let go of all the small things and not take any offense from any jests of your beloved. On the health front, if you are driving any vehicle, drive cautiously during this transit, as accidents and injuries can be foreseen during this transitory movement of Mercury. Also, you may have to face some issues like chest congestion, cold and cough in this period. So, it is suggested to stay away from eating too much cold stuff. As a remedy, you should recite the Vishnu Sahasranam Stotra on Wednesdays. Last but not the least, we'll be talking about the zodiac sign Pisces. So Pisces natives will see Mercury positioned in their 3rd house, which represents the desires, ambitions, efforts and siblings. This indicates that during this transit, you will be focused on your goals and ambitions. There will be an improvement in your conversational and communication skills, which will see you grabbing many new opportunities. Your hard work is likely to result in the improvement in your finances. Journeys or voyages taken during this duration, especially related to the profession, is likely to provide you with gains and profits. In this transit, you will be bold, courageous and will not shy away from making any tough decisions. This will hold you in a good state among your senior management as well as your colleagues. However, this transit can sometimes make you a multitasker, in which you will try to do multiple tasks at a given time. This can sometimes result in inconsistencies because you will hop onto one task from the another without completing the former. So it is suggested to complete one task in hand and then take hold of the other. Personally, the family atmosphere will be cordial. You are likely to get full support from your siblings in this duration. The natives of this sign are also likely to get some good news from means of communication such as the internet, email, etc. For personal life, your spouse will attain all the benefits from this transit and they are likely to achieve good progress and prosperity in their professional sphere. This position of Mercury is also likely to bring bliss and harmony in your relationships. As a remedy, you are advised to donate food items on Wednesdays. So this was all you need to know about the transit of Mercury and how it will impact all the 12 zodiac signs. So I hope that you will like this video. If you have really liked this video, then please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for connecting with us.